What's up, people? What's up? Welcome to the session. I hope all of you guys are doing good, taking care of yourself. My name is Anup, and this is Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channel. Welcome back, people. We're here to talk about something very interesting today. I'm not going to tell you what that is because you probably would have seen the thumbnail, and that is why you clicked on the video. So, let me introduce myself and we will start off the topic. My name is Anup Manohar. I'm a master teacher of physics here at Vedantu. I've been teaching for the past couple of years now. I've taught and mentored thousands of kids all over the world, and more importantly, guys, I am an aerospace engineer and I love talking about space and I love everything about space. So, here I am to talk about something very interesting, something that is very close to my heart, and something I hope that I'll be able to convey to you people. So I hope you guys are excited for this. So let's begin with a very interesting quote for today. As always, the quote is something that we kickstart our days off because a positive note is always good. And I know this video is at 9 o'clock, but still ending the day with a positive note is also always amazing. So the quote for today is this, guys: make every day a little less ordinary. Now, a lot of you guys are frustrated at this point of time. I know, I can understand that because we've all been there. We are all going through that. All that thing that is going on around you, the world being the way it is right now, and you having to completely change the way that you do everyday things in life, right? It has impacted all of us physically, mentally, everything. But as a rule of thumb, people, no matter what the situation is around you, make the best out of it. I know it's hard, it's easy to say, I know it's easier said than done. But think about it, guys. When it rains, a bird, any bird for that matter, would find shelter under a tree. But eagle, on the other hand, would soar above the clouds. Now the problem is same. It's the same rain. It's not like it's a different set of rain that is falling on an eagle's head, and there's a different set of water or air particles, water droplets falling on the head of a pigeon. No, but the way that you look at the problem is what matters the most. All right. So with that said, guys, I hope you guys take that a little seriously and do something a little different, no matter what it is. It could be as simple as making a sandwich. It could be as simple as taking a decision to go for a walk. Whatever it is, to make that day a little special would go a long way. Alright? So anyways, with that said, people, let us get into today's topic. Let's talk about our hero of today's session, the super blood moon. That is something that we are here to discuss about. So let me give you a backdrop, guys. Let me give you a backstory. So the year is 2021. On May 26th actually, some parts of the world were able to see the moon, or majority of the parts of the world were able to see the moon in a very different manner. Now generally when you look at the moon is it's like black and white picture, but on this particular evening it looked a lot different. Now we are here to talk about what is the reason for that and what exactly is the reason why it's called as a super blood moon. So the reason is this, guys. It's called as a super blood moon because the moon actually looked almost reddish in color, appeared reddish in color, and it looked a lot more bigger than you generally see. Now the moon is quite far away from the Earth's surface. You guys know that. But here's the thing, guys. The moon is revolving around the Earth. Now the orbit that the moon is revolving in is not a circular one. It's not that the distance from the Earth to the moon center is exactly the same at every single point. No, it's actually an elliptical orbit, just like the one that the Earth is traveling around the sun. So one point on this orbit, the moon is closer to the Earth's surface, and the other point on this ellipse is basically on this orbit is where the moon is further away from the Earth. Now this super blood moon actually happened when the moon was very, very close to the Earth's surface. Basically the orbit of moon was very close because again it's an elliptical path. One side is elongated, both sides are elongated. So one side is closer, the other side is further away. So when it was closer to the Earth, that's when this actually happened. Now guys, have you wondered why is it red in color? Like out of all the colors in the world, generally we know that moon is not moon. This is what moon looks like. But on this particular evening, the moon looked almost reddish in color. What do you think could be the possible reason for this? Is it that someone went and put holy colors on it? Yeah, like they squirt some holy paints from the earth's surface? Nah, that's not what happened, guys. See, guys, here's the thing. On this particular evening, there was actually a lunar eclipse. Now, what is a lunar eclipse? I'm pretty sure that a lot of you guys know about it. A lunar eclipse is one where the earth is in the middle of the moon as well as the sun. So sun is on one side, moon is on one side, and the earth is in the middle. And they're all exactly in line with each other. They're all exactly in line with each other, such a way that the light that is coming from the sun is getting blocked by the earth, and only a portion of that light is falling on the moon's surface. Now, again, the question is, why should it affect the color of the moon? Like, why red of all the colors? Why red of all the colors? Like, what is the reason for that? Yes, sir, it's lunar eclipse. We understand that, but why it's red color? Here's the thing, guys. See, people, since the earth is in the middle of the moon as well as the sun, the light that is coming from the sun gets scattered in the earth's atmosphere. So light is basically going around the corners of the earth's surface. Imagine the earth is a circle, right? Earth is basically, it's a sphere, but you can imagine it as a 2D circle. So light is coming around the corner, and the light that is coming around the corner is getting scattered because of the earth's atmosphere, where the lower wavelength, the wavelength which are like, the blue light and all of that, which has less wavelength, gets easily scattered, and the red light and the orange light that is there, the orange color, the higher wavelengths, basically falls on the surface of the moon. So yes, guys, remember the chapter light, where you learnt about scattering of light and refraction and all that? This is where you use it. And this, my friends, is also one of the real life application of what you have learned in your 10th standard light chapter. So yes, guys, this is the reason for it. Because of this atmospheric refraction, once again, what happens? The lower wavelengths of light gets easily scattered, and the higher wavelengths, that is red and orange and all that, red, yellow and all that, they basically fall on the surface of the moon. And since the moon is already very close to the earth's surface, because of the elliptical orbit that the moon is traveling in, what happens? The moon looks like a supermoon all of a sudden. And this, my friends, is how and why, and probably is the reason why the super blood moon is the way that it is. Now again, guys, this is something which has been seen pretty much all over the world. So I'm going to show you some of the photos that was taken all around the world. So again, in Delhi also, it was very clearly visible. In some parts of the world, it was very clearly visible. In some parts, it was not. So this is some of the pictures that was taken in Australia. This is what the super blood moon looked like. In Brazil, this is what it looked like. Although this looks more like an animated picture, but yeah, close to it. This is what it almost looked like. In Britain, it looked very, very, very beautiful. I believe these are the headstones, like the ones that you see in your Windows 98, Windows XP and all that, the screenshot, the screensaver that you have, yeah, same place. The headstones, headstones is what I think it is said. Then this is what it looked like in Mexico. Again, a beautiful, beautiful sight from Mexico as well. This is what it looked like in Taiwan, and this is what it looked like in Hawaii, and this is what it looked like in Turkey. So all over the world, they were able to witness this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful structure, a beautiful, what to say, an epic difference in what a regular thing looks like every single day. Alright, and that, my friends, is about the super blood moon. I hope you understood something about today's session. I hope you learned something new, and if you are enjoying the session so far, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And also, people, to top it all off, if you want to learn amazing concepts of every single subject, of every single chapter that you have in your physics, chemistry, math, bio, English, social science, all of the 6 subjects, you can also enroll into the Vedantu Pro subscription courses. And these courses, my friends, are amazing. Let me tell you why. You have unlimited live sessions with amazing level of quizzes, which will not only tell you to, which will not only help you to tinkle that curiosity brain of yours, but also gives you an opportunity to compete with your friends and understand what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses. And also, guys, you get the recordings of every single session, because yes, the sessions are live. You can get the recordings of those, and those recordings are also super duper interactive because you can actually take the quizzes while watching the replay and check out the leaderboards. With this, people, yes, you get the notes. I know notes are important. We know that notes are important. So you get all the notes. Every single handwritten note is downloadable. With all of this, guys, you also have someone called as the class teacher. What's a class teacher, you might ask? See, guys, every single session will not just have one teacher. With the teacher, with the master teacher, you will also have someone called as a class teacher. Now, the class teacher will ensure that every doubt of yours is answered inside the class. It's a unlimited in-class doubt solving with amazing test series and assignments, which will definitely help you to ace your exams. No matter which grade are you in, we are here for you, people. And to top it all, guys, we have 5,000 plus micro courses. Lots and lots of micro courses are going on every single day for every single class, which will not only give you an edge in your competitive exams like your KVPY preparations, your NTSA preparations, your Olympiad preparations, but also give you an opportunity to study other than what you learn in your textbooks. Lots and lots of opportunity, all in one umbrella. So how do you enroll, you might ask? Very simple, people. All you have to do is click on the link that is given in the description. Now, if you go to the description of this particular video, unfortunately I have not opened it up. So anyways, guys, if you just go to the description of this video, you can click on the link that is given in the description called subscribe to Vedantu Pro right now, and that link will directly take you to this Vedantu's webpage where you can choose the grade and your syllabus and choose the kind of plan that you want to go with. So there are three different types of plans. Now I'm not going to confuse you with all the three. I'm just going to talk about one right now. Again, guys, there are three different programs and each of them have three different features. So you have the Vedantu Lite, Vedantu Classic, and Vedantu Pro Plus. Vedantu Lite has live interactive sessions with test series and assignments, and you also have doubt solving inside the class, but unfortunately there's no doubt solving outside the class. But I believe that all of your doubts will be cleared inside the session itself. Now, in Vedantu Classic, the advantage is that you get to get your doubts solved outside the session as well. And for Vedantu Pro Plus, the advantage is that you get someone called as a personal mentor. Now, more about the personal mentor I'll talk about in the next session, not right now. So anyways, guys, the 1 month program of Vedantu Lite is 3,160 rupees, and the year-long program is 27,499. Now, if you click on the link that is given in the description, you don't have to apply any coupon code. Coupon code is already applied. So what happens is this, guys, the price of that drops down to 2,760 rupees, and the year-long program also drops down to 24,749 rupees after the discount. Again, the same goes with Classic as well as Pro Plus. Let's talk about the prices later. Again, each of these have different features. The price of them would also be different. And yes, guys, to top it all off, we have the Vedantu's Improvement Promise. And Vedantu's Improvement Promise is the sure shot guarantee that you will definitely see an improvement in your score. And if you don't see an improvement in your score, guys, you can claim your complete fee back. And trust me, guys, no institute in the world gives you that guarantee that if your scores are not improving, you can get your money back. And that is the kind of guarantee that we are promising, because here's the thing, guys, our type of, the platform, the teaching, the kind of expertise that you get, the kind of mentoring that you get from the teachers as well as the personal mentors are top notch, and it will ensure that you are succeeding in your field of choice, and that is something that we are here for. Alright, guys, and time and again we have proved it by providing results not only in the world's toughest, one of the most toughest exam in the world, that is nothing but JEE Mains. We have also proved ourselves in Vedantu, the class 10th as well as class 12th, just by taking up the Vedantu Pro Plus courses. All right, these are the dates that the batches are going to be starting. 19th of July is the new set of batches going to be starting. That is for Maharashtra batch, and other batches have already started, but it's not too late, guys, because the batches just started. You can still join them and get the best education there is to be offered. Alright, so link is given in the description. That's it from my side. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends so that they also understand about the Super Red Plus, the Super Blood Moon. I'll catch you guys in the next time. Thanks a lot for joining today's session. Have a wonderful evening. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. I will catch you guys later. Until the next time we meet, this is Anup. Catch you guys later.